Wow! All new and ready for you. This home was completely renovated in the past year down to the studs. All finishes and systems have been replaced. Sitting on a country corner lot in the Freeland School District, this ranch home is absolutely fantastic. You are going to love the open living room and kitchen, which are light-filled and finished in neutral colors. The kitchen has all new cabinetry, solid surface counters and stainless appliances are on order. There is a large primary bedroom suite with full bath and 3 additional bedrooms. The lower level is accessed via an open staircase and has a large family room. The lot is over an acre in size and has a new concrete patio and large detached storage barn. If you are looking for an updated ranch finished in today's style, this is the home for you. Schedule your personal showing today.